Hey, I wanted to show you this COSORI air fryer slash toaster oven here. So with this, you're going to get this air fryer here, and then you're going to get some different attachments. So it comes with like different baking racks. So this is like a fry rack here. It's good for like fries or onion rings. It comes with a rotisserie fork as well as your rotisserie handle. So this is good if you want to like do chicken in here, rotisserie chicken, you can do that. This is like a baking rack that it comes with. So if you want to do some kind of desserts in here, you can do pizza with this, different things like that. And then this is a grill tray that it comes with. So this would be good for like chicken, fish, even meat, and different things like that. It also comes with a crumb tray or catch tray that you would just put at the bottom of your toaster oven. So this can help catch crumbs, sauces, other things. So rather than having to wipe down and clean your toaster oven, you could just take this tray out and wash that instead. And then all these racks are dishwasher safe, so they're very easy to clean. Now, the way this works is, let's say if I wanted to do sweet potato fries, which are some of my favorites to do with my toaster oven, I would go ahead and take this rack right here, put my fries on here, season them or prepare them in any way. Go ahead and open it, and I'll slide my rack in there just like that. Now, there's little grooves on the side, making it easy to slide the different trays in. And you could even put multiple trays. So if I want to put like my fries up here, the top one, and then let's say on the middle one over here, let me go ahead and get it. If I wanted to put, let's say like something else, a pizza or something, I can go ahead and do that one down there. And then once my food's in there, I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Right now my food's in here. What I can do is there's presets on the left here. So I'll go ahead and read you the presets. But you're gonna see that on the right of these presets, there's a time right here. And then there's a temperature. So what I can do, let's say I have a pizza in there and I like, okay, 18 minutes for 400 degrees. I like that. I can go ahead and just press this button right here and then it'll select it. And then I can press the start button and it'll go ahead and preheat. And if I press it again, it'll just start cooking. So you're going to see that the timer is counting down. It's cooking my pizza. But if I wanted to cancel it or change something, I can just go ahead and click this button again and it'll cancel. The different presets on this, starting from the top, are toast, bagel, pizza, bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment, and warm. And then let's say I don't like the time or the temperature, I can just go ahead and turn this dial down here. And you're going to say I can adjust the time if I want to go more or less. And then the time ranges from 0 minutes all the way up to 6 hours this thing can go to. So let me go ahead and show you if I go all of that. You got 6 hours right there. Or I can just increase it in increments of 1 minute by just turning the dial right here. Once I find a time I like, I can just go ahead and click the button. It'll select it, and then it'll go down to the temperature here. And here I can adjust the temperature. And it goes all the way up to 450 degrees and as low as 150 degrees. And again, just press this button, press it in right here, this dial, and it'll select that for me. And then it'll go back up to the time if I want to adjust that again. The inside of this toaster oven is 32 quarts or 30 liters. So it's going to feed about 4 to 6 people. So it's good for like a small family or you and a couple of buddies, roommates, etc. So you can do a couple pizzas in here, chicken wings, etc. because it is pretty large. And then as far as dimensions, it's 16.5 inches deep, it's 20.1 inches wide, and then it's 12.5 inches tall. Just to give you an idea of how it might sit on your countertop or table where you decide to put this. So I'd recommend this toaster oven for anyone looking for quick, simple meals that are also very tasty. Or if you don't have a space for an oven in your room, if you're like an apartment or something like that, this thing works excellent and does a great job. My personal favorite food to cook in here are sweet potato fries. But you could also do things like chicken wings. You can do fish steaks. You can do vegetables, pizzas, cookies, all kinds of different things in this toaster oven / air fryer. And it has an app that it comes with too. So you don't have to use the buttons on the side over there. You can also control it with the app if you so desire.